Alright, this final look, I really don't think this is viable at all, but I wanted you to see if you did try to retain the laundry and the full bath, what the impacts would be and how it could be done. Maybe it is viable, I don't know. But pull these stairs out and just bring this wall straight across, so you only have about maybe 6'8" or 9" from the garage to this. Perhaps these days a lot of people just use these as single car garage, and then this becomes all lawn and bike and other storage over here. In any case, it does, and I think Mike may have shown it on the driveway out there or demonstrated it to you, but it does cut into the driveway pretty substantially here because it used to be back, I don't know, somewhere back here, came over and went out, and now we've captured that little corner. But I did want you to see it so that you could have make an informed decision at the end. And so what we've done is eliminate that little covered porch, made a code required 3-foot deep porch here, left the stairs, there's full width in here. Essentially that same bath from one of the earlier plans, I think A, and then space for an open laundry here. I don't really think it makes sense to try to put doors on it. And technically, I suppose these two could be flipped, where the bathroom's down here and the laundry's up here. In any case, I really don't think you're going to make the judgment and the call to make this just one big rectangle, but if you do, that's what you could get. And again, we still have the issue of whether or not you have a closet up here. I'll show you a quick overview of this just in case. And again, the bathroom's about what we showed before. There's some adjustment with the window, etc. But this was just to, it can be done at some pretty substantial expense to the driveway. Whether it does increase the overall building footprint to about 330 feet measured to the outside of the foundation wall, but it's probably still a less expensive thing to build just because there's not a turn in the foundation. It's just one rectangle. Everything is much more simple. Whether or not you can handle this garage encroaching on the driveway, and I'll show it to you from, with the whole thing built here in a minute. But there you have it. I've got the windows squeezed in here and there and some adjustment, but this was just something quick to show you. And here it is from the outside. You can see it's cuts into the driveway. I think Mike said if it was built out this far, it's going to be into this driveway about 22 inches there. He can maybe go out and show that to you on the ground. You can see, the stairs, that extra 3 feet or so really pushes these stairs toward the face of the garage. But again, you need what you need. And even at this expense, I still think maybe you want to do it. I really, I don't know about eliminating that first floor laundry, considering everything in general about what is, about your situation there. Okay, so that's it. Feel free to call or write with any questions. I'll get this over to you.